Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with Sephora. It actually came yesterday, but I was too busy to check my emails to tell me what mail was coming, and none of my family checked the mail. So I saw it this morning, and I was like, it came yesterday. Am I doing this correctly?
We could have filmed a day ago, but people have already posted this video, so we're like, we're hoping you'll watch ours.
Am I doing
Please
it right?
subscribe.
Oh, wait, I could think.
Yeah, it's just taking you forever.
Yeah.
That's okay. Oh,
Okay.
it's purple this time.
So I'll give you that.
I want the back of this.
The bag is purple, and it says Jugar Spillen Geocare Play. I don't know what that. I'm not saying that right whatsoever. But I do like it's a different color
on
bag.
one side, and I wish my sister would let me keep the other side because I love to do like all
And I
those
think as they
things
would say in
here.
their videos that this is like recyclable, reusable, good for travel. I think that's some of the things they would say. I watch them a lot. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out
Make sure
is,
this is
well,
what you were
this
promised,
is
by the
probably
way.
the bonus thing, but it's Versace's Bright Crystal, which I have
Cool.
a full size of over
Oh.
there. So if you want it, you can have it.
Oh, yay! I love me some free samples.
Second thing I am pulling out is, I never can. Have you ever figure out how to pronounce this? Yacht Days? Is this Yacht Days?
Yeah.
Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer.
I don't know.
So there's that.
I know, and primers, I have so many. I just put another one in our next giveaway because I'm like, too many
The
primers.
next thing is Kiehl's, I'm saying that right, Kendall Lewis Serum Infused Water Cream.
That's
So,
cool.
so far so good.
So tidy, but I was like, good.
Hopefully I'm showing that correctly. I always have it like not at the camera. Okay, and then the next thing,
This is a fast
I feel like
video.
I know, I feel like I'm going fast,
What have to
is
read everything for not to be fast?
NARS lipstick and Tolade satin. So depending, I don't know, I might put this in a giveaway because
It's like
Lord
a
knows we
pink
have a lot
rose.
of
The pink rose color. I know. I just put a lipstick in our next giveaway too.
A lot of
I was
lipsticks.
like,
And then Lancome's Sills Booster XL
it's a base
mascara
though.
base. Yeah.
I know,
Does
that's
it go with-
interesting.
oh, I don't know. I'll do it by itself. I was like thinking maybe it had a mascara in it too.
I don't see.
But that's what that is.
Yeah, I don't see a mascara with it. So
And then I think the last thing, unless I'm missing anything, is Lancome's Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate. So yeah, so actually pretty good. Pretty good for it.
I know we love our skincare, but they gave us
I
a
give you
too.
2 thumbs up.
And this box is normally under 12, right? Still,
I
they're
believe
the only
so.
ones who gives you 6 for under 12 still.
Yeah.
So if that video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, be part of our future giveaways. As I'm mentioning, we're gonna do another one as soon as our fall giveaway is over. So stay subscribed and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.